Listen, y'all gotta warn me about that. Oh my goodness. I sat in that green room for 30 minutes and people were telling me everything about the school. Here's the size, here's the demographic, and not one person said a word. You didn't say we got a sneezer. I was like, how are the teams? What's the mascot? What are the majors? Nobody said a word about the sneezer. We're just gonna surprise attack him halfway through. It's not a laugh, that's a sneeze. What are you allergic to? Can she talk? No, for real. Is that a real person? What's her name? Okay, so alright, y'all know about this at least. Y'all can't joke like that, man. Can she talk? What's her name? Monty? Monty, what's up? Yeah, Monty's good. Don't put a light on her. I feel like that's racially insensitive. I feel like. Monty, hold on. Monty, you go to school here? And this just happens to you? Like if you're out at like Applebee's, that happens? You've been living your whole life like this? You never think to warn nobody? I'm just gonna... I can't do this to a person, man. You never got that checked out? No, real talk. You ever seen somebody about it? And what'd they say? You can't. I guess, obviously, yeah. They're like, oh, we can fix this, right? Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this sneeze. I'm gonna keep this sneeze. Monty, you got a boyfriend? So you're single? You ever been on a date and it happened? No. You worn it before yet? Can there be some kind of like, if it happens again, can you just like, to be like, hey, like a countdown or something like that? Like a sneeze countdown or something like that? Or like, hey, I feel it coming on? I feel like there was multiple sneezes. I've seen some things in my shows that I've never seen something like that before. One time I was like, hey, bring back the Crying Baby, please bring back the Crying Baby. Actually, that was nothing compared to this. One time, I'll tell you one story about a show. One time I was doing a show, and I was like joking around. I always like joke around with some people in front. So I was joking around with this couple here, joking around with this couple here, and there was these three girls sit right here. And I thought one of the girls wasn't looking at me. So I figured she was like trying to hide because she knew I was going to talk to her. So I get messing with her, messing with this group. I was talking to these girls. I go, hey, listen, you better look me in the eye when I'm talking to you. And her friend goes, she's blind. That's a true 100%. I've seen it all. I've seen all of that show. This is a true story. And I asked, I was mortified. I was like, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm a Christian. I didn't mean to offend anybody. This is not helping at all. But you know who Tim Hawkins is? You know Tim Hawkins, right? Yeah. So I've been touring with Tim Hawkins for a long time. And that was on a Wednesday, and I was with Tim Hawkins on the weekend. I said, Tim, I'm embarrassed, man. I offended this girl. And he goes, listen, if you ever dig yourself a hole like that on stage, you can't back out. You gotta commit. The only way out is to keep digging. That's what he said. I go, what would you have said? What would you have done? He goes, it's easy. You're like, you're blind and you're sitting in the front row of a sold-out comedy show. It's kind of a selfish move. That's true, because I did the worst thing that you could do. What I did was like, I'm so sorry. My name is Josh. She's like, yeah, my eyes don't work. I feel like human. Like the worst thing you could have done in that situation, just ignored it. Everybody would be like, you're not hearing this? You ain't need to talk to Monty? What's your major, Monty?
Money.
Yeah. Money? What's up, man? What's your major?
Human services.
Human services? You're doing us a disservice tonight. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. Welcome to the show. Thanks for coming out. They probably gave you like a scholarship for that sneeze. That's one of those. That's one of those sneezes. You want a scholarship. They give you scholarship for that sneeze? That is intense. You come to the show tomorrow, and the whole show is going to be about the sneeze. So we're like, you should have come to my show last night. This girl had a sneeze. You would not. I hope that's on video somewhere. My goodness. I don't even know how to get back to the show. What were we talking about? McDonald's or something like that? I don't know. My brain just works. It's like just hard to be a human being these days, isn't it? Like it was supposed to be 2017. Everything's supposed to be easy now. Everything is just impossible. It's a nightmare to go outside.